This is a test. This is only a test.
This is the Proxima Desktop Projector 9100. It was a projector made in the late 90s, 1999. It retailed for $9,000. It's an overhead projector type of system. You see you have the reflector mirror on the inside, also the focal lens. And inside the projector is a 10-inch LCD screen built into the system, to the unit. It connects a VGA converter will connect this cable right here to your computer where you can display your desktop. It also has two composite inputs, two yellow, red, and white inputs for like your video game system or your TV converter. No, wait. You can actually watch the converter box if you had one on here. The maximum resolution, the native resolution is 1024 by 800. It gives you a pretty decent picture on the wall. I'll show you it later if I can. Right now it's bright daylight, and it'd be hard to get an image to show clearly, but I'm trying to make it as dark in here as possible. This is not Windows 8. This is just a wallpaper on my desktop, and that's inside the projector. And I use an extended display to have two monitors type of setup. See if I can show you some of the menus. Oh, this is going to be hot. All right. It has a lot of customization, like the menus. I don't mess with a lot of this stuff. Only thing I really mess with is the input source and the image, and that is really it. But you can change resolution though. If you was to go to input source, I believe you can start choosing different resolutions on here. It'll go as low as 640 by 480 in resolution, and as high as 1228 by 1024. But when you do watch it at 1228 by 24, the contrast ratio is so bad on this device that you really will get a washed out image. If you're trying to watch a movie or anything, the image will seem so washed out. At 1024 it plays straight with a little washing because of the contrast ratio. Again, that's 900 to 1 dynamic or just regular contrast ratio. Now this projector is good for like if you got an old school system, say like an SNES or a Sega Genesis. You can go ahead and hook it up to the composite portion of the projector, and you can play these games fine because of the resolution of the systems. And also the Wii plays pretty decent on here as well. Now let me see if I can show you an image. I'm going to try to make it dark as I can. As dark as I can in my apartment. This is a picture that I shot. This is a video that I shot with my Nokia Lumia. It's not really showing good because it's so bright in here. Well, you can see what I mean when I say it almost had to be in complete darkness. This is a 720p video, And from where I'm looking, it's looked good, but on camera, I imagine it shows up a little bit denser. I had adjusted the brightness with a test video yesterday. But anyway, that is the Proxima 9100 desktop projector. A very rare projector because I haven't seen a lot of videos on it. And when I bought it 2 years ago, I looked up the retail price for it, how much it was going for back in the day when it was released. $9,000.99, brand new. All right, Splinter Craig signing out.